Getting out for a duck is disgraceful for a batsman. It is all the more embarrassing if it happens twice in the same test match. In this episode, we have compiled the top 6 cricketers who have been dismissed the maximum number of times on ducks in both the test innings. Number 6. Muthaiya Muralitharan. This legendary off-spinner from Sri Lanka is the world's highest wicket taker. With 1347 international wickets spanning a career of over 19 years, Muralitharan was the most dangerous bowler in his era. A permanent number 11 in the Lankan side, Murli has scored 1261 runs in his test career at an average of just 11. He has been dismissed on duck at 33 instances, of which there are 4 test matches where he has been dismissed on duck in both the innings. Number 5. Courtney Walsh. Another permanent number 11 of the West Indian squad, Courtney Walsh is better known for his bowling prowess. Walsh has taken 746 international wickets in a career spanning 16 years. However, Walsh could manage only 936 test runs and 321 ODI runs with a highest score of an unbeaten 30. Courtney Walsh has been dismissed on duck for 43 times, of which he has been dismissed for 0 on 4 test matches in both the innings. Number 4. Marwan Atapattu. This is an extremely surprising name in this list. Atapattu was the regular opener for the Sri Lankan side partnering Sanath Jayasuriya. Atapattu has scored over 14,000 international runs with 27 centuries and 76 half centuries. However, Atapattu has been dismissed 22 times on 0 with 4 test matches being dismissed in both the innings on ducks. Number 3. B.S. Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar is one of the very few players who have taken more international wickets than has scored runs. In the 58 tests he played, he has scored only 167 runs with a career best of 22, and he has taken 242 wickets with 8 for 79 being the best. Despite this unique feat, he has been dismissed for duck on 23 innings, of which 4 have been pairs. Number 2. Mervyn Dillon. This West Indian paceman bowled alongside the likes of Courtney Walsh and Curtly Ambrose. With over 260 international wickets, Dillon had been a permanent member of the West Indian side for 11 years. Dillon had played a few cameos at the bottom of the innings, with his highest being 43. However, he has been dismissed 26 times without scoring, with 4 tests where he walked off with a pair against his name. Number 1. Chris Martin. This New Zealand paceman had led the Kiwi bowling lineup for 13 years. He had played international cricket. With over 200 international wickets and best match figures of 11 wickets, he has many heroics in the bowling department. However, Chris Martin has been dismissed on naught for 36 times with 7 tests dismissed on 0 in both the innings. Hope you liked this episode from Cricket Stats. Please subscribe to the channel for more informative videos on cricket.